Welcome to the Vocal Veteran. This video is going to walk you through step by step how to start a claim for compensation. So this is what some will call an intent to file, and this holds your place in line. I like to describe it as a way of telling the VA, what you're saying to the VA is, listen, I have some conditions, some health struggles that I believe are connected to my time in the service, and I'm going to gather all of that evidence and get back to you soon. But you don't have to have all that evidence today. All you need today is genuinely to log into the VA website and go down to the form to start a claim. It really is that easy. Now for the fun part. We are going to file a claim for compensation. So if you scroll down on that main page, in the disability box, it's the very last option, file a claim for compensation. When you click on that, it'll take you to a page that looks like this, and it says you have no saved applications to show because it's our first time. So we're going to file for disability compensation. It asks a few questions to make sure you're using the correct form. So are you on active duty right now? We're going to say no because we aren't. Then, are you filing a new claim or disagreeing with a VA decision on an earlier claim? Yes, that is us. And then we click on, by the green arrow, file a disability claim. When you start this, you go to step 1, that's just your details. And so since you're already signed in, it's going to pre-populate your name, date of birth, gender, those sorts of things. It's at this point, just this point, that you can click finish this application later, and boom, your intent to file request has been submitted. Yay! So you have started an intent to file with the VA. Congratulations, that's a huge step. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to me directly. Email is thevocalveteran@gmail.com, or comment on this video and let me know.